Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to use geofencing on SentryPC. So first, in your dashboard, go to Geofencing, then click Edit User by the user you want to edit. First, enable or disable the geofencing for this user and type in the address, for example, Paris. Now, select the distance and kilometers or miles. So, for example, 12 kilometers. And you can apply the settings to additional users. Remember to always save the settings. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.